Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and one of my favorite things to make are specialty sandwiches. And today we're making the French sandwich, the Croque Madame. And it is a ham and cheese grilled sandwich topped with a fried egg and a bechamel sauce. If you're liking these videos, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I make a new video. All right, let's get started, guys. All right, check it out. So we got our little medium saucepan preheating on medium heat. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to make our roux. And you don't want this to brown. You're going to whisk it the whole time for about 2 to 3 minutes. And really, it's when you start to smell it cooking. You'll get this nutty aroma smell from the butter and flour once it starts to cook. Okay, after about 3 minutes, it is time to add our cup of half and half, or you can use whole milk or even full cream. I like half and half. Once you pour that in, start whisking right away. Okay, you can see only after 3 minutes it's thickened up. And you can add more milk or half and half if you want to thin it out. But at this point, we're going to turn it to a simmer. We're going to drop in 1 dried bay leaf. And this is going to simmer so the flavors come out of the bay leaf for about 10 minutes. And then we also can't forget to add our 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese. Real simple, guys. And a great sauce, easy sauce. It's one of the mother sauces. Okay, while your sauce is simmering, let's go ahead and make up the sandwiches. And for the bread, I like to use a brioche, and I like to use a thicker cut, and you can also use sourdough if you prefer. So let's build our sandwich. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 slices of black forest ham on each piece of bread. And then I'm going to top that with grated Gruyere cheese. Swiss is also a good alternative. Probably doing about 1/4 cup of cheese on each piece. I like to try and cover to the edge. All right, you're going to want to get your pan heated on medium-high, preheated. I'm going to drop in a tablespoon of butter. Melt that down. And for the butter, I like to use Kerrygold Irish butter. So we've got an Irish French sandwich. Here we go. Put in both pieces, kind of swirl them around to get that butter soaked in. And we're going to toast these, grill these until they are golden brown on the bottom. Okay, check it out. After about 3 to 4 minutes, we've got that bottom side nice and golden brown. Can you see that? Okay, I'm doing these in my little mini oven. If you had a cast iron pan, and you wanted to put this whole thing in your regular oven, you could do that. We just want to get them in there to get the cheese melted a little brown, and shouldn't take more than a few minutes on that. Okay, while your cheese is melting, let's drop in about a teaspoon of butter into your small omelet pan. Or you could use the existing pan we just had. If you're going to do more sandwiches, you can cook more eggs in a bigger pan. But we're just making one sandwich, and we're going to get our egg in there. Just like that. Fry that guy up. Definitely want the egg sunny side up for this sandwich. But if you don't like sunny side up, you can cook it all the way through. All right, the cheese is melted. Let's bring out our bread. Bring out your bread. Bring out your bread. Alrighty. All right, folks, here we go. So we got 1 piece on the plate. We're going to top it with the other. We're going to top it with our wonderful fried egg. Then next we want to garnish with our bechamel. Try and leave the yolk exposed. And then next I have some fresh chives from the garden. followed by some cracked pepper. And then finally, the French sea salt. Just a little bit. You notice I didn't put salt in the sauce because I'm topping it with this. Okay, let's cut into this guy. All right. And there we go. Real quick, that French sea salt is known as Maldon, and you can find it in specialty stores, probably online, and it's just a great salt for topping things. Okay, let's take a bite. Also, this sandwich would be great served as a brunch item on the holidays, such as Mother's Day. Mom would enjoy this sandwich. Oh, yes. Come on, get on there. Takes me back to Paris. We had these sandwiches while we were there. So good, so flavorful, and very easy. And once again, if you're liking these videos, like, share, subscribe, notification bell so we can notify you when these videos are being up. As always, thanks for tuning in.